Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome and thank you for joining us. Please stay. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with you my grandmother's recipe or ingredients on losing weight, like losing your belly fat. But the thing is that these things are actually natural, so you do not expect like miracle in one day, but of course in the space of 1 week to 2 weeks you are going to be loving the results. Like seriously, the result is going to be so beautiful, so visible, so snatching. Anyway, so let me take you into the video, but before that, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, thumbs up this video. Alright, let's go. We're gonna be needing lemon for this. Belly fat reduction, promote hydration, it's a good source of vitamin C, it supports weight loss, it improves the skin quality, it aids for digestion, it freshens the breath, it helps prevent kidney stones, and it is very okay for removing stored and stubborn fats. Onion contains antioxidants and compounds that fight inflammation. It decreases triglycerides and reduces cholesterol level. Onion lower heart disease. It protects anti-inflammatory property. It also helps in reducing high blood pressure, protects against blood clots. It helps to remove belly fat and excessive stored stubborn fats. And then we're going to be using ginger. Now ginger is a very nice remedy for the skin. It works in clearing up clots. It reduces cholesterol and blood pressure. Contains antioxidant property that reduces the risk of common brain diseases, and it also contains antioxidant that protects against cell damage and aging. Now we're also going to be putting in apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps in reducing weight. It reduces cholesterol, lower blood sugar level, improves symptoms of diabetes. It also contains ancient folk remedy. It has been used for various household and cooking property. It is a great source of removing belly fat. Now to prepare this guys, we're gonna be needing to first of all cut into the onion. And then we'll peel it all up. Now we're going to be slicing this. And we'll put it in a bowl. We're going to be cutting in the lemon. We're just going to be peeling the lemon. We're going to be putting that into this. So for the ginger, we're going to be needing just this quantity, not too much guys, and then we're going to be peeling it all up. or done peeling, I'm going to be shredding it, cutting it in little tiny pieces. Now we'll transfer that into this bowl. Now after we've transferred this into the bowl, then we'll get a blender. We transfer that into the blender. We're going to be putting in 1 cup of water. Alright, so finish blending, and now you're either going to be drinking it like this or you can sieve it out, but drinking it like this is just going to do the job, guys. Yeah, look at how friendly that looks. It's going to work. Now if you're not used to drinking onion or eating raw onion, like, start doing that, okay? Because it's just going to change your life. It's going to change your life. Like, you are going to be loving the result. Look at how it looks like, really friendly. And let me have a taste and tell you how it does taste. Now I'm actually drinking it because it's just onion, ginger and lemon. Okay, it's still very okay for me, but yeah, I forgot to put in the apple cider vinegar, which is, if I put the apple cider vinegar, if you're pregnant, you don't need to take that. 1 cup of apple cider vinegar is perfect, and then you stir it. Okay, for me now, I can't drink apple cider vinegar, but of course apple cider vinegar is edible. It's an edible thing, okay? So it's very good. Drink this once in a day, okay? Or you can actually take it 2 times a day, morning and evening, and like, trust me guys, all of your belly fat is going to be gone, and you are going to be feeling really, really better. Like, you're going to be feeling light, you're going to be feeling not too hungry, you're going to be feeling very, like, you're going to be feeling yourself, because when your stomach fat is beginning to reduce or remove, you are going to be seeing a great improvement in your body. Your body is going to be super duper light, okay? So morning and evening, and all of your fat is gone. They are all edible and very good for your body. Alright, number 1, the color is very friendly, and number 2, the taste is also very friendly, and number 3, it does this thing, like, it really, really does work, okay? So you can actually try it. All of the ingredients are edible and very, very natural, and yeah, they work, but you have to be healthy yourself. Like, eat good food, and don't eat too much of carbohydrates. Allow it to work, okay? And it's gonna do the job. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video. If you enjoy watching it, thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you. Bye guys.